What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bia
Lee Cosmetics.
So today we are back with just some simple glam.
Everyday look, some luminous skin, a little bit of glow.
Gloss. Gotta get that gloss.
Always need that gloss.
Yeah, so today we're going to show you a look that you can probably achieve in about 5 to 10 minutes. Nothing crazy, a couple products, boom, you're good to go.
Yeah. So if you want to see how to get
these looks, these
looks right here.
So if you want to see how to get these looks,
keep on watching.
Shoot him again.
To start off my everyday look, I'm going to go in with my Coconut Smoothing Primer by First Aid Beauty. I'm just going to apply that all over the face for some extra moisture.
I'm just prepping my skin with the Ren Flash Defense Anti-Pollution Mist. You don't want to overload your skin with makeup every day, so today I'm going to be using the Infallible Pro Glow, but just a little bit of it to give me a nice sheer coverage.
And I'm going to be using the Next to Nothing Face Color by MAC. It's very light, it's very balmy, it's moisturizing for the skin, and it also has illuminator in it, so it just gives a nice overall feel to the skin. And I'm just actually going to mix that in with some of the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light.
I'm just buffing a light layer of this on. Because it is every day, I still want to be able to see the skin underneath. I don't want that complete blank canvas. So I'm just buffing it in lightly with my Real Techniques buffing brush. Again, always making sure that it's coming down your neck to ensure that you're not going to have that lovely line.
And I just mix that up with my finger. Oh yeah.
Okay, my cowlick it's on another roll today. If anybody knows any tips and tricks to getting rid of cowlicks, please let me know.
Because she needs it.
I do. Cool. Today I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. I like this one because it's super lightweight, and rather than sitting on top of your skin, it's really going to melt in, allowing it to look dewy, glowy, and just like a brighter, prettier self. And again, I'm putting that on all my high points just to really illuminate my skin. No one has time to bake your face every single day, so to set this, I'm just going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder on a fluffy brush and just dust it all over my face.
Now that all my foundation is blended in, I'm going to go in with the Becca Concealer. It's the Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. And again, just like Bianca said about the Bare Minerals, this one is a lot more lightweight than the Shape Tape that I usually use. So it's just very natural for every day, and it just helps to brighten under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead.
To give myself a little pop of color, today I'm using the Party Tarte blush. I like this because it's not too overpowering, but it kind of looks like you just want a nice little light jog.
And I'm just going back in with my foundation brush to blend this up.
You don't want anything overpowering for every day. You just really want to enhance your natural features. For my highlighter today, just to give myself a little bit of glowy dewiness, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in God Light.
God Light.
in gold light. That's funny.
Close. And to set my under eyes, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Press Setting Powder in Translucent. Just like Bianca says, I don't have time to bake myself every day.
So I'm just rubbing the strobe cream into my fingers and lightly patting it on the high points of my cheeks, on the bridge of my nose, and on my cuticle. Just super quickly.
I'm also going to set around my nose area because I tend to crease and get very oily there every day.
I'm going to quickly just comb through my brows. using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. And then for everyday, I'm just gonna deepen up my tail end, not so much do anything in the front half of my brow.
And I'm very pale, so I like to just warm up my face a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the MAC Give Me Sun. I'm just gonna lightly sweep it on into the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, and under my jawline.
After you put any brow product in, you always want to make sure you brush it through. That way you're making it seem as natural as possible. For mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Voluminous in Carbon Black Original. I'm just going to coat my lashes top and bottom just to really open up my eye for the day.
And I'm going to go in with my Becca liquid highlighter in the shade Opal, just to add a little bit of more glow to the high points of my face. And I'm just going to go ahead and melt that into my finger.
So this is basically the look for me. I'm just going to top it off with the Agave Lip Mask from Bite. Especially in this colder weather, you really want to make sure that you're nourishing your lips so you're not getting any dry, cracked lips, which...
And for my brows, I usually use a pencil and a powder for my brows, but because it's just my everyday look, I just go in with the Foolproof Benefit Brow Powder in shade 5, I believe, and I just comb it through for further definition.
Just to finish off my look, I'm using the Ren Anti-Pollution Mist, the same one that I used to set my face, or to prime my face. I'm just going to use it to set it as well. I like this one because everything from Ren is made from fruits, plants, vegetables, minerals, anything good and nourishing for your skin. And you can wear this over top of your makeup throughout the day just to give you that extra boost of hydration and just to make your makeup feel refreshed.
And for my eyes, I have really short eyelashes, so I need to curl them.
You do.
Pardon?
You do.
So I'm going to go in with the Shoe Mirror Eyelash Curler. That's how my sister ripped out her eyelashes.
Let's talk about that for a moment. Girls, please be careful with your eyelash curler. Always make sure that the pad is in there and that it's in like not an old pad, so it still has that kind of bounce to it, so you're not ripping your eyelashes out. Please be careful when you're curling them. Don't do any sudden movements. You want to keep those lashes.
Don't rest your arm on your knee to do it like my sister, because she slipped and she's missing a few lashes now.
Just don't do it.
Just don't. Be careful. And then I'm just going in with my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and coating my lashes. Starting at the base and wiggling it up. For my lips, I'm going to go in with the Bare Minerals Lip Gloss in the shade Totally. It's my favorite shade.
Smells good. I have a thing for scents. I like when things smell good, but I'm putting
Most people do.
I'm putting it on my face.
Oh, good.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
And then I'm just gonna set my spray. I'm just gonna set my face with some MAC Fix Plus just to further add to the glow.
Ooh, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
I think I just sprayed it in my mouth and my hair. Just want that dry. We look like we're ready to grocery shop.
Catch me pushing my cart. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh.
Ew. So these are our final everyday looks. Just we're running some errands, going to the grocery store, going to the mall, hanging out.
Sitting on my couch.
Yeah. We just like our skin to look very natural, very radiant.
Dewy, just like a amplified version of yourself.
So if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to
like and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and follow us on social media.
Alright, see you next time.
That's all for now.